welcome to my channel. So we're here at the ignace 49th annual car show, and guys, I'm so excited to take you through these cars to let you see the different antique cars. There's so many different antique cars. There are over 800 different antique cars here, so come along with me. Let me show you these cars and let me know what you guys think. Okay. Alright, so over there they have the flea market over there, and then you got people lining up, people sitting on the sidewalk just to see the car shows. And there's a flea market over on that side. Yep, look at that, guys. People sitting in the park. There's one. I'm so excited. Look at that, guys. There the cars coming down. Okay, so guys, this is the ignace 49th annual car show. So it happens every year for 49 years now. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, look at that. Kids play here. So you guys, look, they close the road. They close off the road so people can see the cars. Look at that. I don't know what happened to this car. It looks like something is wrong. Let's fix it. Look at this one, guys.
We're gonna walk up the other side. I don't know what side you're talking about.
Look at that, guys. Look at this red one. So guys, comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. Look at this red one. Power wagon. It's a power wagon. This is a orange one. It says look but don't touch. Look at this one. Ooh, look at this one.
They average it out.
Like it.
Cost average on price.
That one, guys. So now we're walking down the road. I think it's like a couple miles down the road because it's like 800 cars. That's a lot of cars. And there's so many people walking on the road looking at them also. And people are selling things on the street side. People are selling things on the street side. Ooh, this is cool. Look at that, guys.
But you can literally pull right into it. You can literally pull.
So you have cars on both sides of the road. You have on the right hand side and on your left hand side. So people are just walking up and down and looking at all the different cars that is here. Look at this yellow one, guys. Ooh, I like this one. I like this one. Ooh, this one is a nice one. Sorry. Ooh, these cars are nice. Look at this one. This one is like a long time Lamborghini. This is cool. the red one. Look guys, as far as you can see down the road, there's so many cars. Guys, look at this. Look in the engine, guys. It's just clean. Very clean. Wow. This is so nice. So now they have a mini donut stand here, so you guys, you can buy stuff. They have cards and stands there where you can buy stuff. This is so nice, guys. This happens every year. St. Ignace, Michigan. Oh, as far as you can look, guys. As far as you can look, there's cars. There's some more cars. As far as you can look, there's cars. Look at that. And they have people entertaining. Hello. Look at that, guys. This is so beautiful. I'm so excited. Look at that, guys. Ooh, this is real. Look at this orange truck. Oh my gosh. There's so many things to deal with. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. The engine is so clean. So clean. Look at this one. I wonder how this one get here. I think they have to like haul it or something, because it looks like it doesn't even have any wheel. Oh, it does have a wheel, but it's on the, okay. Wow, okay. That's really nice. Wow, this is so beautiful. Look at people. There's so many people here. As far as you can go down the road, there are people. Like 2-3 miles down the road, there's people. A lot of people. Guys, look at this big truck. How do they get up here? This is a big truck. Wow, this is so nice. I'm enjoying every bit of it.
Yeah, you got a brand new milk.
Guys, look at these cars. Look at these cars. The engines of these cars. This is the 1941 Ford. I think you can buy them if you want, because I saw on some of them that says for sale. So I think you can buy some of them if you want. If you're into antique cars, you can come at this car show. It happens in St. Ignace, Michigan, in the Upper Peninsula, every year, because this year is the 49th annual car show. So it happens every year. It happens every year. So it's over 800 different cars, 800 different antique cars. So if you guys are into like antique vehicles, then yeah, you can purchase one if you want. Yeah. Or if you want to take part in the show too, I think there's something that you can go online and pay a little fee, and you can get your cars to park here so people can look at it and possibly buy it if you are actually selling it. Okay guys, so this says look inside, so let us look inside and see what is there to see inside. Oh wow, there's like guns and so much in there. Like the seed.
Alright, let other people look.
Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. There's a gun right there. What? Okay. This is so nice. Alright, this is so nice. Oh wow. This is a sight to behold. Oh wow. Look at that, guys. There's so many people. Wow. See guys, this one is for sale. So some of the cars are for sale if you want to buy them too. Guys, look at that one with the teddy bear holding it up. This is just crazy. Look at this one, the lion holding it up. The inside of the engines are just so clean. Wow. Guys, look at these cars. Oh my gosh. Guys, comment down below and let me know if you guys ever seen any of these cars and which one do you like. Yeah. Comment down below guys. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. And it helps me so I can bring more content to you. So yeah, this is an animal show. Look at this one, guys. It says no speed limit. So if you want to drive this car, you can drive. You can get this one to drive. Guys, look at that. That's an ambulance. Are you kidding me? Even that is here too. Oh, yeah, guys, I'm so excited. Look at these cars. I'm so excited, man. Look at these cars. Oh my god, there's so many cars here. So many different cars. Antique cars. Yeah, so guys, the show started at 8 a.m. this morning and it ends at 4 p.m. So it's 8 solid hours of showing 800 different antique cars from all over the country. All over. Look at that, guys. Guys, you have vendors here, so people are selling things while cars are exhibiting. This is so beautiful. Yeah, I need to take this video.
Iron Man. God bless.
Iron Man, pick up yourself. All right, thank you. Guys, look at this one. This one looks like it's just making her something. Look at it. This is so cool. People are laughing at this. Guys, look at this little one. This is the tiniest car I've ever seen. Look at that. Guys, look at that bus. Somebody behind me said that's their future car. Wow. So look at this red one.
Oh my god.
Look at this red one, guys. Guys, so some more vehicle here. Some more here. Some more here. This is so beautiful. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. The 49th annual car show in St. Ignace, Michigan Upper Peninsula. So that's it for the car show. And thanks for watching, and please drop a like and a comment and please subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next one. Bye.